Across South America, the legends behind Yerba Mate share a common message: that this plant is a gift. Nature is our medicine, our teacher, our home. Their ancestors knew the power of Yerba Mate. We are here to listen and learn.
We wake up at dawn, heat some water and drink mate tea. It wakes us, gives the body a boost and gets us ready for the day. Yerba mate is important to our community. It creates jobs and helps the environment. It is part of our identity. I'm the third generation working here for 40 years. This is the pride of our community. It's great how mate connects with the history of our family. When you drink mate, you're not just tasting a leaf. You taste our soil, our air, and our traditions. We employ more than 3,000 people. But my greatest pride is the preservation of the environment the Yerba Mate provides. I always say I don't harvest Yerba Mate. I harvest health. It only does good and benefits people.
Helping to bring clarity to your mind, focus to your day, and energy to your life. Yerba Mate is more than a leaf. It is a gift. Let nature be your medicine cabinet. We'll keep it stocked for you.